Hey everybody, this is Arun. Today I'm going to show you something very exciting, and I hope everybody who is working on Oracle EPM and who has been missing out a connector from Power BI will be excited to see this. Still in early stages. If you're interested to talk to me about this, just hit me up on LinkedIn. I'm going to leave my email ID as well on the LinkedIn post so you can reach out to me. All right, so I'm logged into EPM application and I'm going to go to data and I'll show you two simple examples. This is showing your expense trend, and this one is showing you your revenue summary. Doesn't mean that it cannot handle huge data, but I just want to make this easy and simple to understand. Okay, so here's the app that we're building. I'm going to add a new data source and call this revenue summary. All right, I'm going to save the data source. I'm going to click on preview, and I can see the data. So here's the data in the application, and here's the data that you see here. Okay, so I'm going to go back, add one more source. So this would be the expense trend that we saw. Right, here's the expense trend. I can preview this, and I can see the data here. Okay, all right. Now we're going to go to Power BI. We go to a blank report, and I'm going to an data feed. Okay. What this is going to do is this is going to look for those feeds that we just created or the data sources that we just created. And we have expense trend. You can see the data here. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to click on revenue summary as well. Click on transform data. Okay. So that is revenue summary. Okay. You have the data here, all of the other information. And this is your expense trend. You have the information here. Okay. Click save and close. All right. You have these data sources here. I can expand them, and now I can start playing around with my data, right? This data is coming directly from the application itself. I'm going to select my years and really easy. I'm showing you a very simple example, but I hope you get the idea that I'm going to use this as an example. Let's make it a little bigger. And again, same thing. I'm going to years and data. Okay, so there you go. It's still in early stages. I'm very excited about this. So if you are excited about this, if you use Power BI and want to connect to EPM data and visualize data in Power BI without the help of IT or programming knowledge, connect with me. Still in early stages. Want to get as much feedback and use cases from the end users, and happy to connect with you and work with you on this. This is, like I said, still early stages, but I hope you get an idea what we are building. All right, that's all I wanted to show you today, and hopefully you all are excited about this. Thank you.